So if you like something really nice and aesthetically pleasing, definitely go for the handmade earthenware crock. But if you're into your practicality like me, these are actually my favourite. These are an amazing Korean kimchi container. They are really, really practical because let me open it and show you. So when you use these kind of crocks, you have a weight that pushes the food down inside to keep it submerged so that it ferments nicely. These ones have a vacuum lid, so you don't have to worry about all those weights and different things, and it's much easier to seal everything in there. And also it adjusts up and down the container all the way from the bottom to the top, so you don't have to fill it all the way through. As you use some of your veg, you can push it down. The other great thing about these is that you can store other things in them, like coffee beans, things like that, anything that you want to keep super fresh, to keep the flavour in. They're brilliant. And they've got these nice white clean labels, which really pleases the nerd in me because I label everything. So yeah, they're perfect. The plastic is actually infused with clay, which makes it nice and breathable. They are really, really popular. This is what you'll see everybody using across Korea, this style of container. So brilliant if you want to get into kimchi making. Much easier to start with for your beginners if you want to try pickling or sauerkraut or anything like that. One of those is much easier for beginners than starting with something like, you see all these guides about using a jar and a weight and stuff. Forget it. Grab one of these and you'll make it much simpler.